Hey Patrick, how's your morning going?
Hey Shirley, it's going pretty well. I woke up a little tired, but I didn't rush today. That felt nice.
That does sound nice. I like mornings like that.
Yeah, I made coffee and just sat quietly for a few minutes.
I love quiet mornings. They help my brain wake up slowly.
Exactly. If I rush too much, my whole day feels messy.
Same here. Oh, by the way, let's introduce ourselves.
Good idea.
Hi everyone, my name is Shirley.
And I'm Patrick. We're friends from the United States.
We're here to talk slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Like a real conversation between friends.
Yes, so relax, listen, and enjoy.
Today's topic is something many people love
Traveling.
traveling. Smiles.
And the big question today is
Pause. Where do you want to go?
I love that question.
Me too. It's simple, but it opens your imagination.
Exactly. So, Patrick, where do you want to go?
Hmm. Thanks for a moment. I really want to go to Japan.
Japan?
Yes, I've never been there, but I think about it a lot.
Why Japan?
I like the culture, the food, the cities, and also the quiet places.
That sounds beautiful.
What about you? Where do you want to go?
I really want to visit Italy.
Italy, nice choice.
I love Italian food, and the history feels very rich.
Pasta alone is a good reason.
True. Pasta, pizza, and gelato.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too.
Do you like traveling a lot?
Yes, I do, but I also feel nervous sometimes.
Nervous?
Yes, airports, planes, new places, it can feel scary.
I understand that.
But once I arrive, I usually feel excited.
The fear disappears.
Exactly.
I love traveling because it breaks my routine.
Daily life can feel boring sometimes.
Travel makes life feel fresh.
New places, new people.
New food.
Very important.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with someone?
I prefer traveling with someone.
Why?
I like sharing moments, talking about what we see.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I like both. Traveling alone helps me think.
Alone time can be powerful.
Yes, but traveling with friends is fun too.
Lots of laughs.
And memories.
Do you remember your first trip?
Yes, I was a teenager. I traveled with my family.
Where did you go?
We went to another state. It wasn't far, but it felt big to me.
That's how it starts.
Exactly. I remember looking out the car window and feeling excited.
I remember my first trip too.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Oh,
I loved the sound of the ocean.
beaches are relaxing.
Yes, I want to visit more beaches in the future.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
I prefer mountains.
Really?
Yes, I like cool air and quiet views.
I like warm sun and water,
Different tastes.
but both are beautiful.
True.
Do you like long trips or short trips?
Short trips. Long trips make me tired.
I like long trips if I don't rush.
Slow travel.
Yes, I don't like moving every day.
That stresses me out.
Same.
What is your dream trip?
I want to travel through Europe slowly.
That sounds amazing.
Different countries, different cultures,
Train rides?
coffee in small cafes.
You've thought about this a lot.
Maybe a little.
My dream trip is visiting Japan during cherry blossom season.
That sounds magical.
Pink flowers everywhere.
Very peaceful.
Do you like planning trips?
A little, but not too much.
Same. Too much planning kills the fun.
I like leaving space for surprises.
Best moments are often unplanned.
Yes.
Do you like flying?
Not really.
Me neither.
I don't like turbulence.
Or waiting at the airport.
But flying gets you far.
That's true.
Once I'm on the plane, I try to relax.
Music helps.
Or movies.
Traveling and movies go together.
Yes, they help pass time.
Do you collect souvenirs?
Small ones.
Like magnets?
Exactly.
I collect photos.
Photos are the best souvenirs.
They capture feelings.
And memories.
Have you ever had a bad travel experience?
Yes.
What happened?
I missed a train once.
Oh no,
I felt stressed and lost.
that's tough.
But a kind stranger helped me.
That's nice.
Travel shows you human kindness.
I agree.
Have you had a bad experience?
My luggage got lost once.
That's awful.
I wore the same clothes for 2 days.
That's a travel story.
Now it's funny. Then not so much.
Travel teaches patience.
And flexibility.
Do you like big cities or small towns?
Small towns.
Me too.
Big cities are exciting but tiring.
Small towns feel warm,
Slower pace.
friendlier people.
Do you like trying new food when you travel?
Yes, even if I'm nervous.
Me too.
Food is part of culture.
One of the best parts.
Traveling changes us.
It opens our minds.
It teaches us understanding.
And gratitude.
When you travel, you see how others live.
And you learn about yourself.
That's very true.
If someone asks you, where do you want to go?
You can answer simply,
I want to go to Italy.
or I want to visit Japan.
Simple sentences.
Clear and confident.
Traveling is a great topic for English practice.
Everyone has dreams.
Everyone has places they want to see.
Before we finish, let's say something to our listeners.
Okay.
Traveling doesn't have to be expensive.
Or far.
Even small trips matter,
What matters is the experience.
and the memories.
So take your time
Dream a little.
and practice your English along the way.
So, where do you want to go?
Think about it
Say it in English.
and keep learning.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.